If you're looking for that sexy Italian style, but you have a budget, look no further. We have this 2021 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport and Alfa Rosso Red. It comes equipped with bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red Brembo brake calipers, adaptive cruise control with start-stop, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls. There are only 12,000 miles on the odometer on this beauty. It comes equipped with an 8.8-inch touchscreen with navigation, a rear backup camera system, Alpha DNA drive modes, heated rear seats, a dual pane sunroof, and rumbling in with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. This beauty is all you're looking for. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Search stock number D6791.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.